Hi everyone, how are you all? This is Madhu Mahesh Raj. So we have completed two sets, though this is our set number 3. Here we'll be covering from 101 bit. So let's see the first bit. What is it given there? First question, the functional group of ketone. So what is the chemical formula, general formula for ketone? RCO R dash. So here R and R dash can is what? Alkyl group. Alkyl group is nothing but our hydrocarbon group. So RCO R dash, where is it? Option number D. Okay. An example for so COOR means here what we can write? We can write one alkyl group. So here RCOOR dash we can say it. RCOOR dash. This is the general formula for what? This is the general formula for ester. Because here it can be one, because when you will get the ester when ethanoic acid and alcohol are reacted, then we will get a sweet pleasant odor, that is called as our ester. Ester chemical formula is what? RCOOR dash. Okay, so where is that? RCOOR dash, here it is RCOOR dash. So this is called as our option number A. Okay, next, which of the following is an alkane? Alkane general formula is what? CnH2n plus 2. CnH2n plus 2. So let's see it. 4 is there, option number 1. 4 is there, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2 10. That is correct only. First option itself is correct, option number 1. Okay, let's see the 104th question. When a vegetable oil is treated with hydrogen in the presence of nickel or palladium catalyst, it forms a fat. This is an example of what? So example for what? For converting unsaturated hydrocarbon to saturated hydrocarbon, we will be using a method called as addition reaction, which is also called as our hydrogenation. Okay, so here what is that answer? Option number D is our answer, addition reaction. So in the description part of the video there is a group link. I have given WhatsApp group link. In that group I've been uploading the test series. I have started one test series. I think some of you have seen it. Around 100 bits will be present in that. 100 bits in the sense physics 25 bits, 25 marks, biology 25 bits, 25 physics means physics and chemistry. Okay, physical science and natural science 25 by 25 bits, 25 bits. So total, sorry, not 100, for 50 bits. I told wrong. 50 bits. Okay, 50 bits of what? Physics and chemistry 25 bits, and what is that? Biology 25 bits. So total 50 bits. Okay, so test series every day at 1 p.m. a new test will be uploaded in that group. So those who are interested, they can pay just 5 rupees and they can attempt the test. It's an exam type. Okay, understanding? Just cost is only 5 rupees. Those who are interested, I'm not forcing anyone. Those who are really interested, just pay the just 5 rupees, right? 5 rupees you pay it and attempt the test. And the test you can attempt for that in the first times you have got, I have already told that you have got only 30 out of 50. Again you attempt it. Practice more time, then such that you can keep in your mind what are the bits you are learning. Okay, any number of times you can attempt the test. Password will be present for the test. So those who are interested, they can join the group and attempt the test by paying just only 5 rupees. I'm not forcing anyone. Whoever want, they can write. Let's see the 106th question. 106 or not, 105 question. Again, you will tell that, sir, you didn't set me. 105th question. 105th question, the substance which can be produced brisk effervescence. Brisk effervescence means what is it? Carbon dioxide gas with baking soda solution. Baking soda solution means you will be get carbon dioxide when you are reacting with the vinegar. Option number C. Okay, diamond and graphites are what? Diamond, graphite, Buckminster fluorine nanotubes, all are the allotropes of carbon. Diamond will have what sort of hybridization? sp3 hybridization. Graphite will have what sort of hybridization? sp2 hybridization. What is the shape of diamond? Here, tetrahedral. What is the shape of graphite? It is hexagonal shape. What is the distance between layer to layer in the graphite? That is our 3.35 angstroms. 1 angstrom is equals to how many meters? 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Okay. What is the force present between the layer to layer? That is our London dispersion force. What is that system present between the layer to? That is our pi electron system. Okay. What sort of hybrid is present in the graphite? That is our sp2 hybridization. In diamond and graphite, which is a good conductor of electricity? We can say that diamond contains only sigma bonds. It is a bad conductor of electricity. Graphite contains one delocalized pi bond. That is the reason the graph electricity. So these are the bits related to that bit. Let's see the 107th question. The hardest known material of the nature is our diamond. Option number A. 108th bit. Diamond and graphite have structures respectively. Just now I said diamond will have tetrahedral shape and graphite will have hexagonal shape. Option number C. 108 questions over. Let's see the next page. It's loading. Let's see the 109th question. Triple bond present exit between. Triple bond is present where? Triple bond means it is an unsaturated hydrocarbon. Alcohol no, ketone no, ethane no, it is acetylene. Because ethine is also called as acetylene. Okay, ethine means what? Triple bond only. Ene means what? Double bond. Ane means what? Single bond. So ene means triple bond. Ethine means it is also called as acetylene. Option number D. What is general formula for alkane? Alkane general formula is CnH2n plus 2 plus 2. Alkane. Alkene CnH2n 2n. Okay. CnH2n, where is it? Option number A. Alkyne, it is CnH2n minus 2 minus 2. C. So 112 questions over. Let me drag upwards. 113 question. Which of the following is an aldehydic? Aldehydic, what is that prefix will be taken here? Al. Now what is the general formula? CHO. RCHO. RCHO is the general formula for aldehyde. R is our alkyl group. Hydrogen, or it can be hydrogen or it can be alkyl group. Alkyl means what? Hydrocarbon group. If you are adding hydrogen to it, it is called as our formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. Okay. RCH, option number B. The nature of chemical bonding in the diamond. All are covalent bonds. Carbon means what? Carbon can make covalent bonds. So option number A is our answer. Let's see the 115th bit. The crystalline form, allotropic. Crystalline means what? Which have a particular shape, a fixed shape. That is called as the crystalline form. What is another form of allotrope? That is our amorphous form, which doesn't have a particular shape. So here they have a crystalline structure, that is our diamond. Option number C. Aerated drink. Aerated is nothing but if you take any liquid, into that liquid if you add carbon dioxide gas in a pressurized way. With a pressure, if you add carbon dioxide into the water or any liquid, it is called as aerated water. So what is that? Carbon dioxide under pressure of C. Once the gas is evolved in treating ethanoic acid with an active metal Na. Ethanoic acid means what? CH3COOH. To that we are adding Na. So hydrogen will be removed from it and Na will be added to it. So what is that gas formed here? That is our hydrogen gas, H2. Okay. Let's see the 118th question. The microorganisms used for manufacture of ethanol. Ethanol in the natural way, what is that required? We require yeast from ethene. We'll be getting the ethanol. With the natural process, we'll be using, what is that? Sprouted barley and starch. So yeast. A spherical aggregate of soap molecule is called as our micelle. Spherical aggregate of soap molecule is called as our micelle. Can anyone tell me what is meant by CMC? Comment me. What is meant by CMC? Next one. 120th bit. In soap molecule, in soap micelle, the soap molecules are arranged radically. Where? We already know that if you take this one as a soap molecule, here what we can observe that this is called as our hydrophobic end, this is called as our hydrophilic end. If you observe here how it will be, think that there is a dirt here, it will be something like this. Okay, so all the hydrophilic end is towards and hydrophobic end is away. Hydrophobic end is hydro, so here not they have given hydrogen. Okay, hydrocarbon end towards the center, ionic end towards outside. Yes, correct only. So whatever the tail region we are drawing, it is called as our hydrocarbon. It can be a palmitic acid, or it can be a stearic acid, or it can be a oleic acid. Okay, so these are called as hydrocarbon. So it is what is attract towards the dirt. Towards the dirt means option number B. 121. The usual disease caused by the excessive drinking of alcohol is our what? Cirrhosis. Damage to liver. Okay, cirrhosis. Liver cirrhosis. You'll be saying that. Okay, 122. The functional group present in the propanol. Ol means what? Alcohol. OH should be present. Where is that? OH, option number D. Okay, I think that page is over. Let's see the next page. It's loading. Okay, let's see the next question. Butanone. One means our ketone. Ketone functional group is what? RCOR dash. RCOR dash. Where is it? Here it is. Option number C. One of the following burns without producing the flame. Without producing the flame, what is burnt? They have asked. You can say it as candle. Sorry, candle. Flame. One of the following burns without forming the flame. What is that? That is our charcoal. Option number B. 125th bit. When ethanol reacts with sodium metal, it forms two products. These products are, what is that? Ethanol, C2H5OH, reacts with sodium, so H is replaced with the Na, so C2H5ONa. Sodium ethoxide plus hydrogen. Sodium ethoxide plus hydrogen. Option number D. Vinegar is a solution contain about what? 5 to 8% of acetic acid in water. Acetic acid is also called as what? Ethanoic acid. Where is it? 5 to 8% of ethanoic acid. Yes, option number A is correct answer. So wrong. Alcohol they are given. Option number A is wrong. 5 to 8% of ethanoic acid in water. So option number B is our answer. So see the bits thoroughly, okay, for keeping correct answer. Otherwise later you will be commenting, sir, you told wrong, sir. The molecular formula for homologue of butane, homologue of butane. So in order to get a butane, CH2 should be added. So option number, I think D is our answer. Option number D. In which of the following components COH is a functional group? COH, it means what? It should be an oic acid, carboxylic acid. Oic acid, where is it? Butanoic acid. Option number D is our answer. Okay. Let's see the next bit. An alkyne, okay, unstable bond, have 75 carbons, number of hydrogens. Okay, it's very formula, it's simple formula. What is that? CnH2n minus 2 is the formula. Value they have given how much? 75. How much will be the hydrogen value? So 2 into 75, how much? 7, 5 2s are 10, 1, 7 2s are 14, 15, 150 minus 2, 148. Option number B. Let's see the 130th bit. A unsaturated hydrocarbon containing triple bond, okay, having 5 hydrogen atoms, number of carbons. Okay, unsaturated means the same formula, CnH2n minus 2. So here H value they have given how much? 50. So 2n minus 2 is equals to 50. 2n is equals to 52. N is equals to 52 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 6 are 12. 26. Where is it? Option number C. The number of covalent bonds in pentane. Okay, let's draw it. CH3, CH2, CH2, 3, CH2 and CH3. So find out. First carbon to carbon, how many bonds are there? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Hydrogen, how many bonds? 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. 12 plus 4, 16. Where is it? Option number D. 132nd structure they have given. So they have given the name also 2,2 dichlorobutane. Okay. In the above name, the number 3 Okay, number 3 is our chloro. So here chlorine will act as what? Substance only. Substituents. Substance means what? It should be our secondary prefix. So here, before the word root, whatever the things you, whatever the steps are, those are called as our prefix. After the word root, whatever the steps are, that is called as our suffix. So here there are two types of prefix: primary prefix and secondary prefix. Primary prefix PP tells about only this, tells about the cyclic compound. Is it a cyclic compound? No. Secondary prefix tells about the substance part. So chlorine is a substance part, so you can say the secondary prefix, option number C. 133. When acid is treated with alcohol, okay, means what? Ethanoic acid plus alcohol gives rise to ester. Ester. Where is it? Option number B. Option number B. Okay. Ethanoic acid on treating with sodium carbonate. Carbonate. Okay. Or sodium hydrocarbonate produces. Carbonate, we already seen that if it is carbonate, we will get what sort of carbon dioxide gas will get. At the same time, it will become what? CH2CO1 will get, and water molecule also D. 135. Acetic acid on react with NaOH produces. Acetic acid CH3CONA. Okay. OH is there, so H2 will be formed. So both A and B. Structure again given. Let's see the structure. Let me move upwards. CH3, CH is okay. They have given the name also here. 1 minute. They have given the name also here. So in the above name, number 8 is. So number 8 here and here they have given. Those are unsaturated compounds. Unsaturated means it should be a primary suffix, because secondary suffix tells about the functional group. Primary suffix, where is that? Primary suffix, option number B is our answer. So 136 bits over. Let's see the next page. So again, they have given the name and they have given the number. And the above name, the number 11, OL. OL means our functional group. Functional group means our secondary prefix, option number A. Okay, let's drag upwards. The number of methyl group present in 2,5 dimethyl 4-ethyl heptane. Okay, this one is your homework. Try to solve it and tell me. Number of methyl group. This is your homework. Comment me what will be the answer. Okay, the IUPAC is name of wood spirit. Wood spirit is also called as our methanol. Option number B. Okay, let's see the next one. 140th bit. Ethyl alcohol on dehydration. On dehydration, ethyl alcohol become what? Ethylene. Option number A. The catalyst used in the preparation of ethyl alcohol, that is our, it can be phosphorus pentoxide or tungsten oxide. Phosphorus pentoxide or tungsten oxide, where is that given? What is that given? Option number 8, phosphorus pentoxide. 142, that is dash is the dehydrating agent in the conversion of ethanol to ethene. Ethanol to ethene, what is that will be used here? Ethanol to ethene. So concentrated sulfuric acid. Okay, let's see the next bit. The final product formed on a complete oxidation of ethanol. Complete oxidation of ethanol gives what? Tell me, complete oxidation of ethyl alcohol gives. Ethanoic acid only, right? Ethanoic acid, option number A. It's a direct question, that is the reason I didn't set the answer fast. Okay, let's see last question. 144th question. The chemical which is not required for the preparation of soap is. What is that? Baking soda is not required. Option number B. Let's see the next question. Yes, the correct IUPAC name of the structure, the again, if you observe here, it is nothing but CHO, single bond CHO. CHO, it is also called as ethanediol. Ethanediol. Of number D, ethanediol. CHO is called as our ethanediol. చెప్పు
హలో
చెప్పు
వస్తావా?
ఎక్కడ ఉన్నావు?
ఇగో స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాను.
బెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ దగ్గర వస్తాను. 146th question. What is that given? The functional group which is found in acid. Acid means we can say that our carboxylic acid, that is our COOH, RCOH, R is called as our alkyl group. Where is that? Option number A. The IUPAC name of neopentane. Neopentane is nothing but 2,2 dimethyl propane is also called as neopentane. Means you know how it looks? Something like this it will look. Okay, so this is called as our neopentane. If you observe how many carbons are there: methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. So here one, if you give the numbering, second carbon, two methyl groups are there. So 2 comma methyl propane. So neopentane is also called as our 2 comma 2 dimethyl pentane. Okay, let's see 148th question. Okay. Oh, it is a little bit bigger question. Nothing to worry. It can be solved very easily. So, what is the question given there? The reaction of burning of carbon is represented. Okay, we already know that carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide plus heat plus light. Okay, when 9 grams of carbon is burnt with 16 grams of oxygen, 22 grams of carbon dioxide is produced. Okay, then to produce a mass of carbon dioxide when burning, 3 grams of carbon with 32 grams of oxygen. Okay, if you observe here, what is that equation? Carbon plus oxygen gives rise to carbon dioxide. What he told that when 9 grams, let us assume that when 9 grams of carbon is burnt, how many grams of carbon dioxide we have got? 22 grams. Okay, so I think this question, this is not 9, there is a mistake in the equation. This should be 6 grams. 6 grams. Okay, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. So 6 grams of carbon gives rise to how many grams? 22 grams. Then they are asking to get, when we burn 3 grams of carbon, how much amount of carbon dioxide you will get? See, let us take it as X. So for 6 gram, 22 grams of carbon dioxide, 3 gram, how many grams they have said? So 3 is to 22, then 6 is to 22, then 3 is to what they have asked. You just do the cross multiplication. So X is equals to 3 into 22 by 6, 3 2s are 6, 2 11s are, so X value is equals to 11. What is that option? Let me drag upwards such that you can see the options. So option number D is our answer. Okay, so that page is over. Let's see the next page. I think our last page. Okay. Oh, okay. Let's see the 149th bit. Which of the following pair of compounds of carbon will undergo combustion? Sorry, 39th bit. Which of the following pairs of compounds of carbon will undergo combustion and addition reaction? They have said combustion, addition reaction means what? If to a carbon compound to go under addition reaction, it should be an unsaturated, means either it should be a double bond carbon compound, it should be a triple bond. If we observe this one, what we can observe here, this is where C2H2, it's a triple bond, so it is an unsaturated carbon compound. So what we can say that C2H2 and C3H6 will undergo combustion and addition reaction. Okay, 150th bit. A little bit also or bigger one. It's okay, let us find out. A compound of X is obtained. A compound of X is obtained when reaction by the reaction of alkaline KMnO4 with another compound Y followed by acidification. Compound X also react with compound Y in the presence of drops of H2SO4 to get a sweet smelling compound. H2SO4 sweet smelling compound means Z should be our word, Z should be our ester. Ester. Okay. Now you tell me, when you'll get ester when we react alcohol plus ethanoic acid. You just see it. Where is it? Where is it? Ethanol, ethanoic acid. So you'll get sodium ethanoate. Okay. Option number C. 150th bit. Among the following, the characteristics of carbon. Carbon is a 4A element. Yes. Electronic configuration is what? 1s to 2s to 2p6. Yes. It is a normal, yes, so we can say all the above is the answer. 152nd question. Okay, the HCH bond angle in methane. Methane, it should be 109 degrees 28 minutes. Okay, 190 degrees for what? Tell me. 90 degrees. Anyone there? I think it is BF3. This one. 104 degrees. That is our H2O. Yes. So our answer is 109 degrees 28 minutes. A liquid X is used in medicine such as tincture of iodine capsule. That means it is nothing but our alcohol only. CH3, CH2OH. Alcohol. Okay. It reacts with the sodium metal, a gas. Sodium metal means okay, hydrogen gas. Pops on me should be hydrogen gas. So why is a hydrogen gas and alcohol? Where is it alcohol and hydrogen gas? So we can say alcohol and hydrogen. Option number D is our answer. 150th bit. An organic compound is clear liquid having molecular formula C4H8O. O means either it should be a ketone or it should be a aldehyde. So how, sir? If you observe the ketone formula RCOR dash, so there is one O, and if you see the aldehyde formula RCHO, so either it should be a ketone or it should be a aldehyde. If you observe here, yes, alcohol wrong, ester wrong, aldehyde yes, ketone yes. So 3 comma 4, where is that option number? With this, in set 3 we have completed 154 bit and one more set is there. In that we'll be covering more than 200 bits. Okay, we'll be having 50 bits. In 50 bits, that too physical science part is 25 bits will be covered. It will be covered, and biology it will be covered 25 bits total, 50 bits, and every day at 1 p.m. you'll be getting that test paper. So you can attempt it. See, more the test. One thing is that more the test you attempted, more practice you will get, and it will be very easy when you write the exam. If you only listen to the conceptual part of the chapters, when the bit is asked, you may get confused which bit correspond to which concept. Okay, so try to attempt more tests. So as I already told that I have already launched a test series. Already 2 tests has been already released. So those who want to attempt the test, in the description part, WhatsApp group link is given. So you can add through that group link. The thing is that each test paper cost is only 5 rupees. Only 5 rupees. I think 5 rupees is not a very big deal. 5 rupees is very least cost. So every day you'll be getting this. So whatever the day you want to write the test, you just pay 5 rupees and you attempt the test. The moment when you pay the 5 rupees through the so you just send me the screenshot. So to that link, to that number, I'll be sending the link. Okay, test link along with the password. And the thing is that you can attempt the same test many number of times. It is not that you can attempt only one time. Many number of times you can attempt the test. Understood, everyone? So with this, I'm concluding my today's video. Those who have listened to my class, thank you. I will be back with the next set. So this is Madhu Mahesh Raj signing off. Bye.